Nokia X900 5G, and in this video, we'll explore the full specifications and features of the Nokia X900 5G, set to make waves in 2023. As of now, the Nokia X900 5G is in the realm of rumors, and it's generating quite a buzz among tech enthusiasts. Keep in mind that this information is subject to change as more details emerge. The Nokia X900 5G is expected to be a connectivity powerhouse, supporting GSM, CDMA, HSBA, LTE, and of course, the lightning-fast 5G technology. Stay ahead in the digital era with this cutting-edge network compatibility. Stay connected on the go with the convenience of dual nano-SIM support. The Nokia X900 5G is designed to keep you connected with ease. Get ready to be mesmerized by the Nokia X900 5G's display, a massive 7.2 inches Super AMOLED screen. Experience vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning visuals, all protected by the robust Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Under the hood, the Nokia X900 5G is rumored to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 5G processor. Brace yourself for lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Stay on the cutting edge with the Nokia X900 5G, expected to run on the latest Android 13 operating system. Enjoy the latest features, security updates, and a smooth user experience. Experience unparalleled speed and efficiency with memory options that include 12/16GB RAM and storage configurations of 256/512GB. The Nokia X900 5G ensures you have ample space for all your apps, media, and files. Capture the world in stunning detail with the Nokia X900 5G's impressive camera setup. Expect a quad rear camera configuration featuring 108MP plus 16MP plus 8MP plus 5MP lenses. On the front, a 40MP camera is ready to redefine your selfie game. Powering the Nokia X900 5G is a massively polymer 8000 mAh non-removable battery. Enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. Stay charged and ready with the 55W quick charger, ensuring you spend less time tethered to an outlet. Additionally, wireless charging support adds a layer of convenience to your charging routine. Unlock your phone effortlessly with a range of sensors, including fingerprint, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Embrace durability with the IP69 certification, making the Nokia X900 5G resistant to water and dust. Connectivity is future-proof with USB 4.0, ensuring fast and reliable data transfer. Don't worry about losing the headphone jack. The Nokia X900 5G retains the 3.5mm audio jack for your convenience. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The Nokia X900 5G is expected to hit the market with an astonishing starting price of $489 or approximately 39,018 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. Nokia is bringing this feature-packed device at an affordable price point. As we wrap up this extensive look at the rumored Nokia X900 5G, it's clear that Nokia is gearing up to redefine the smartphone landscape once again. Stay tuned for updates as we eagerly await the official launch. And thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of mobile technology.